Welcome back to my channel, I Can Sew. Of course, I'm Kendra, and I've been away for so long. I'm so sorry. I started a new job, and it just was like overwhelming, but I'm back, and I missed you. So let's get started. Today, I want to talk about these pajama pants that I made, and let me show them to you. You know, I got to go back. All right, let me fix the camera here. Here they go, right? Simple pajama pants. I don't really have to stand on my toes. I think I'm standing on my toes just to show you, but let me give you, here we go. And of course you can hem them any way you want to. And let's not talk about this ugly shirt right here, but I'll give you the information on it if you want to. You ever had one of those shirts or one of those projects, it could be anything, not just sewing, that you've started and you just said, okay, this is definitely a crap shirt, I'm just going to quit and give up? Well, that is this shirt here. Everything you can imagine went wrong with this shirt, including the instructions not being clear. So I just quit. Although, just because it's red and it came from the pattern that I sewed in the video prior to this for my niece, I just put it on. So here it is. Drops down in the back. Let's talk about it. Let's move back forward. All right. So onto these pants. I have sewn Simplicity. Here we go. And of course it is not 0202. So let me see the real number for it. 8022. And it is very simple. Let me tell you, it only has one piece in there. Well, two for, one for adults, one for small kids. But you just cut two pieces. See that? You cut two of these, and this is the back, and this is the front. And then you just sew them up together. So there's no seam on the side leg. So here we go. Oops, let me get this here. See, there's no seam here, right? The only seam they have is right here up the middle. And then, of course, you fold it over to, to create a casing for your band, for your elastic. Throw the elastic in there, hem it up, and it's done. Now, would I say this is easy and something definitely to try? Yes. I made this with this really inexpensive fleece. No, is this fleece? No, flannel. Sorry, flannel cotton that I got at Walmart. It was maybe like $1.50, maybe a piece. Bought a whole bunch of them. I actually made this already for my niece, and then I made this one here for myself. Well, actually, I made it for you. So, but I am gonna wear it because I realized I ran out of pajama bottoms, and so yeah. But I thought this would be perfect to wear because it took me all of maybe 30 minutes to make, which is great for beginners, right? And you can make it in so many different colors. And if you want the entire family to dress it like, you can, because the adults fits both men and women. And then for children, of course, boys and girls. Now, I wrote a note on here for myself. I made a size medium. So let me say what the medium is. The medium in the hip is, it's for hips, 48 hips. But you know, with pajama pants, you don't really want them to be tight, right? So that was pretty good. My hips are not 48, but that gave me the 2 extra inches on each side that I wanted, so I was excited about that. Yeah. The other thing I wanted to mention on here, that if you have a big bottom, a big stomach, there's no room for adjustments, because I was reading somewhere that you're supposed to make adjustments on the outside of the pants. And remember, these don't have a seam, so you're kind of out of luck with that. So and that's probably why I made the medium. You want to make it in a size that is going to be definitely flexible, because, excuse me, what you can do is then put the elastic in it and kind of make the elastic a little tighter. Because again, who wants to have like tight and uncomfortable pants when you're trying to go to sleep, right? So I'm not going to make this video very, very long. It's very short because this was short. And again, this is one piece. It's Simplicity 8022. It's still in stores. I bought it a couple years ago, but I only used it one time. And you can make use flannel, gingham, chambray, cotton, and cotton blends, cotton interlock, jerseys, fleece. You can make this in any material that you find, basically, that you want to sleep in. Now, again, for kids, they only call it loungewear, because some of the material you get may not be flexible. I mean, may not be non-flammable. So be mindful of that. Remember that all kids' pajamas are supposed to be non-flammable. They don't give a damn about the adults, but our kids non-flammable. But you can use pretty much anything you want to use on this. And I also will tell you that the yardage that I used on this, if you have 45-inch fabric, then it is 2 yards, or 1 1/4 yard if you have 60-inch fabric. So super easy, super inexpensive. You can make a lot of them for everybody in the family. Make them for them for Christmas, for New Year's, any holiday. Slumber parties will be a great idea if you want everyone to dress alike for that. And yeah, I thought this was great. Again, if you have a big bottom and you're one of those people who are like, oh, I want to make sure that it's going to fit me in the bottom area, then just make a bigger size, okay? It is easy to sew, so it fits into, or is it so easy? And what's the answer to that? Yes, it is so easy. Once again, thank you for checking out this video. And I can't wait to see you for the next video where I actually sewed another pair of pajamas. So please make sure that you check that video out too, and that you like and comment and let me know your thoughts on this pattern, if you've sewn it before or your intentions to sew it. And if you want to tag me on Instagram, my tag name there is also I Can Sew. Thank you.